As law-abiding citizens and responsible leaders of our party in Rivers State, we recognize the elected president of our country and pledge our full support for the success of his administration for the benefit of all Nigerians. In effect, we subscribe to the president's efforts at strengthening our economy, fighting insecurity, and promoting peace and harmony in our dear country, Nigeria. In the same vein, His Excellency Amopu Senebo Sir Siminalayi Fubara was elected democratically as governor of Rivers State and also affirmed by the Supreme Court. As indigenous and critical stakeholders of Rivers State, we give our dear governor our total loyalty and support for the progress of our state, and through him, support the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, as we believe that working together, the good and interest of Rivers State will be protected. With the elections over, now is the time for real governance for the progress of our state and nation. It is for this reason that we call on all our supporters to give total support and unalloyed loyalty to the governor of Rivers State and Mr. President. Today, we are sad because in the last few months, the peace of our state has been disturbed by the foolish actions of one selfish man who believes that more than 7 million Rivers people are his slaves for electing him as their governor for 8 years. Our people are not a conquered lot and will never subscribe to the mentality of conquest. We also refuse to be divided along tribal or ethnic lines. The FCT minister has threatened publicly to destabilize the peace in Rivers State. The president has a duty to call him to order. We, the Rivers people, will not stand by while an individual decides that we will not sleep with our 2 eyes closed. The Holy Book says, "He that troubleth his own house shall inherit the wind."